You are going to love the 2011 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, one owner. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.